All right, folks. This is my mama,
Okay.
and she's fixing to make a taco.
We line the pan with foil.
Okay.
We put the bowl in the middle.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take the croissants out of the container
Mhm.
and we're gonna open them up.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna open them up and then we're gonna take them and I might need a little knife, a little butter
Okay.
knife or any kind of
Can
knife.
you grab one, Des? Thank you.
And this is crazy, I didn't have it long enough. And we're gonna separate them.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna take these three
Okay.
and or four and we're gonna divide them.
Okay.
We're gonna put this one here
Okay.
and we're gonna put this one next to it and not let them touch too much.
Okay.
Just the corners touch.
Just at very end. So.
Yeah, just the very ends.
Okay.
And this one here.
Okay.
And this one here.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take and get these cut
And do the same thing with them.
and do the same thing with them.
You're cooking for an army tonight, Mama.
I'm cooking, honey. I cook for a lot of armies.
Yes, you did. Many nights. We never went hungry.
Nope,
Imagine
sure
that, having
did.
8 kids and never letting them go hungry.
That's there. And this one's here.
And that is the finishing of that. Let me get a... Or is there another one?
There's one more.
Ooh, okay.
And there's
And then
that.
that's what that looks like.
Now, that's the first step. Now we're gonna use
And what are we doing here? We're
you're
overlapping.
overlapping
Oh, every other... Okay, in between these things.
in between each one.
Gotcha.
It looks so pretty.
Okay.
The way it's
I know.
Where's that? And that right here. Okay, let's turn it this way.
It almost looks like you're making like a little flower arrangement with dough.
Yeah.
There, that fell out. Perfect. We're gonna cut it here.
Okay.
Cut it here. Here.
It's a sun.
It looks like the sun, doesn't it? And we're gonna overlap these.
Okay.
Now
Ooh, Grandma's making some pretty food, huh? She's pretty cool, ain't she? Mama's super cool.
Yeah, you're gonna love it.
What are you making?
I'm making a taco ring. Yeah,
How
you
you
can,
make it?
you watch and you'll see.
Yeah, you gotta keep watching.
And you make it.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Yeah.
gonna be good. It's gonna be delicious.
Ooh, it looks so good.
And
So you can make this for
Alright,
parties
now.
or anything, huh?
You can make it for parties. And we
That's
got-
what it looks like after you put
Yeah.
them all on.
Now we're gonna separate the meat so it'll cook faster
Okay.
and more even.
All right.
It charges us $31.50 for having.
And the rest of your taco, your little
Crescent.
crescent, you just roll into a taco. I mean,
Into a crescent.
thank you.
No problem.
I got a problem with words this evening.
Don't feel bad. You
Oh,
are being-
thank you, Bye bye.
Oh yeah, we don't need that one yet.
Set this over here, baby.
You don't need that one yet. You did roll it in the, you keep it.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Now, that's
Why
right.
are you rolling it?
Okay.
You keep it on the pot.
The
We drained the grease off.
off the meat, and now we're adding. We added the water, and now we're adding the taco seasoning.
And she's using 2 because we're making 2 taco rings.
Yes. And we're gonna mix it around and let it get delicious. Is that the time?
And this is what it should look like.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook it like that.
Okay.
Is it showing the video?
Yep.
Okay, I am ready. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put it up against the pot, the bowl.
Okay. Oh. That looks really good. Okay. I assume you're doing the same thing to this one.
Yes, I am.
That's what those 2 look like. What are we doing here?
Take this cheese and you put it all the way around the top.
Okay. Ooh, this looks good.
The hard part's coming.
It looks delicious though. And what kind of cheese is that?
This is the Mexican
4 cheese.
4
Okay,
cheese.
shredded.
Now we gotta bake it. And then the bread, you see the dough coming out with little pieces of stuff. And it's fluffy and buttery. Wrapped around the top.
Just kind of make
Hey,
it.
make it, make it go. Hey. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Same.
You just take the bowls. I can take that from you.
Stop. Ready, set.
Wait.
Stop. Stop.
Now.
No. And bottle.
Okay, doesn't matter which one we do, we're gonna start with, when you're doing it, you start with the top ones
Okay.
and you tuck it under.
Okay.
Every other one, just the top ones first.
Okay. So it'd be every other one basically, right?
Cause that's, yeah. And this one here looks like it's the top
Yeah.
one.
Oh, wow. I can see it coming together.
Doesn't Two over here. Oh wait, I gotta finish that one first. We're gonna
Okay.
put this one here.
Okay.
That one's done.
Okay. So she's tucking all the top layer.
Tucking all the top layer croissants up underneath the meat and the cheese.
Oh, you're sick. I want it. I take it all on my picture.
And now we're doing the bottom layer of the croissant.
Okay, and then she's going to take two of those, set them in the middle, and
One on
one on
here.
each side. So
Now it's ready for the oven.
Now, we're
And
gonna
it's
put
what,
it in the oven.
what it said, 15 oven?
Oh yeah, you see that?
And then we're gonna do something I've never done before.
Okay.
Now here's something I've never done before.
So she's tucking all the top layer.
Tucking all the top layer croissants up underneath the meat and the cheese.
Oh, you're sick. I want it. I take it all on my picture.
And now we're doing the bottom layer of the croissant.
Okay, and then she's going to take two of those, set them in the middle, and
One on
one on
here.
each side. So
Now it's ready for the oven.
Now, we're
And
gonna
it's
put
what,
it in the oven.
what it said, 15 oven?
Alright. Get you both up in there. There we go.
And 3. We're gonna have two.
And two. That's fine. There we go.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yep. And Gary could try the first one.
You want me to take this in with a fork?
Yeah. Here, I'll get him a fork. Gary gets to try it first.